ទូរស័ព្ទរបស់ខ្ញុំដើរយឺត
My phone keeps lagging. My phone keeps lagging.
តើអ្នកបានព្យាយាមបិទវាហើយបើកវិញឬនៅ
Did you try turning it off and back on? Did you try turning it off and back on?
ចាស់ខ្ញុំបានធ្វើហើយប៉ុន្តែវានៅតែយឺត
Yeah, I did, but it's still slow. Yeah, I did, but it's still slow.
តើអ្នកបានពិនិត្យកន្លែងផ្ទុកទិន្នន័យហើយឬនៅ
Have you checked the storage? Have you checked the storage?
មិនទាន់ទេ អូមើលទៅវាដូចជាជិតពេញហើយ
Not yet. Oh, looks like it's almost full. Not yet. Oh, looks like it's almost full.
នេះប្រហែលជាមូលហេតុដែលធ្វើឲ្យវាដើរយឺត
That's probably why it's lagging. That's probably why it's lagging.
តើខ្ញុំគួរធ្វើយ៉ាងម៉េចឥឡូវនេះ
What should I do now? What should I do now?
សូមព្យាយាមលុបរូបថតនិងវីដេអូចាស់ៗមួយចំនួន
Try deleting some old photos and videos. Try deleting some old photos and videos.
តើអ្នកបានដំឡើងកម្មវិធីច្រើនទេ
Do you have a lot of apps installed? Do you have a lot of apps installed?
ចាស់ខ្ញុំបាន
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do.
អ្នកគួរតែលុបចោលកម្មវិធីដែលអ្នកមិនប្រើ
You should remove the ones you don't use. You should remove the ones you don't use.
ខ្ញុំមានកម្មវិធីច្រើនដែរដែលខ្ញុំកម្របើក
I've got a bunch I rarely open. I've got a bunch I rarely open.
តើវាបានប្រសើរជាងមុនខ្លះទេឥឡូវនេះ
Is it any better now? Is it any better now?
វាដំណើរការបានរលូនវិញហើយអរគុណច្រើន
It's running smoothly again. Thanks a lot. It's running smoothly again. Thanks a lot.